Hello, hi, it's Liz here and it's Monday, collage time, the Margarete Miller assignments, and we're in volume 2. So we'll just set that one aside and look and see what this week's prompts are. So we have something that plugs into a wall, something aqua, something written in your non-dominant hand, a label, rubber stamping, and the bonus is a coupon. So I'm going to switch the written in your non-dominant hand for a coupon. And these this week I found very difficult. They don't seem to make any real sense or connection, well, in my head anyway. So I'm just going to do a straightforward tick off the list and it'll just be what it'll be. So something that plugs into a wall, I have an old-fashioned TV, a little telly. Something aqua, I have this paint chip, which is from a sheet of little paint squares. So I have that, something written, I'm not going to do that. A label, I've got this wine label, which when I took it off the bottle, I just stuck it to a piece of kitchen roll to keep it because it was a little bit wet and whatnot. So I've got a label, rubber stamping, I'm going to rubber stamp a word. So we've got that, and the bonus is a coupon. And I just so happen to have that. We don't really go, I know in the States coupons are a big thing, but coupons aren't a huge thing here, and it just so happens that I got that when I bought a magazine the other day out the newsagent, and that was just attached to the receipt just by chance, because I looked through some magazines and whatnot and there's just not any coupons at all. We don't get a book of coupons, we just don't really do coupons. So I was pretty pleased, although it doesn't really fit in, but it's the only coupon I've got. So it'll just need to do. And we won't use it because we don't go to McDonald's. No. Okay, so it doesn't really make any sense. So the thing I thought about was just to maybe cut this down a little bit and just pile it up, really, because there's really nothing else for it but to take this off here, I think, and maybe take that off. So we're just going to and then just oh, I don't know, it is very random, isn't it? Nothing works. You know, I have put up before I came on camera, I played about with this. You wouldn't believe how long, these two little pieces, and I think it's just going to have to sit at the side there. So I think that's just what it's going to have to be, because there's really nothing. So I'm just going to stick this down, and then at the end I'll do my stamping. So I can't believe, I think there's only, let's see, what number is this? 49, so 50, 51 and 52 left. Not many. And see, I would cover all that up, but the whole point is that you've got to see, I suppose, that it's a coupon. So I think I will keep that rather than although that's not so bad. Oh, no, I think I need the words, because then you know that it's a coupon. Oh, the paper napkin as the kitchen roll's coming off. Just do it gentle. I was maybe a wee bit heavy-handed there with the glue. And let's just take it off. I didn't think that would come off. It's glued underneath. It's glued enough. Yeah, you can see that it's a coupon. That's not brilliant. Let's glue that bit. There. Oh, this week's a disaster. I think because I wasn't keen on the prompts and it's not doing it for me this week. Anyway, that's just 1 week out of 52. Well, still 3 to go. I might have another bad week. Where did we have them? I want to still see that that's a label as well. Do you know, I think I'm just going to do that. I'm just going to do that. Oh dear. Anyway, did I tell you we had snow? Woke up to white this morning. Not dead heavy, but snow nevertheless. First this season. So and I discovered why my phone was stopping filming. Something to do with the storage. I didn't have enough storage left to film. What do you think? Oh, it's a bit rubbish, isn't it? Oh dear. Right, let's get the stamping done. I do have an idea for the stamping. I'm going to use this M and I'm going to write Monday because Mondays is the day that we do this. So that's kind of works. That's sensible, isn't it? Now all we need is for this not to stamp on this shiny. Not bad. I'll need to let it dry though. This is the stamp set I use to stamp every week on the day that the number there. So D, oh where am I? Yes, so I cleared out some stuff from my phone and I've got some storage back. I was thinking it was the battery or something, but it's always quite fully charged. Do you know, that makes a difference, doesn't it, adding that? So I'm going to call that done. So we've got something that plugs into the wall, the telly, something aqua is the paint chip, and I've swapped that, a label, I've got my label, rubber stamping, and the coupon. Nah. I like this one. So there's this, this. Okay, I'm going to leave it there, and yeah, so thanks for joining me today. If you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.